The first St. Peter's Cathedral in Marquette was a wooden structure built in 1865. 14 years later, around 4 a.m. on Thursday, October 2nd, a switchman working on a nearby railway reported massive flames consuming the cathedral to the local fire department. The crew were only able to contain the blaze to the cathedral, preventing its spread to adjacent buildings such as the famous Bishop Baraga House, which at the time was adjacent to the cathedral, not down the street like today. Unfortunately, most of the items in the cathedral could not be rescued in time. All that remained was the wooden frame of the building. While never officially proven, many suspect the fire was an act of arson by disgruntled parishioners over the dismissal of Rector John C. Kenny. After the fire, parishioners attended the French Catholic Church. The cornerstone of the new sandstone cathedral was laid in 1881. The first Mass in this new building was on midnight Christmas Eve, 1883, in the basement. The congregation used the basement while the church rose above them, and the cathedral was finally completed in 1890. On November 3rd, 1935, again around 4 in the morning, flames were discovered. The fire's origins are unknown, with some theorizing arson. This fire gutted the cathedral, leaving only the stone walls. Fortunately, Father Francis Stringer and custodian Rock Beauchamp risked their lives to retrieve the sacred vessels from the tabernacle, escaping just before the roof collapsed. Reconstruction began the following year in 1936, with the third and final cathedral being completed in 1938, where it still stands today on Bergen Avenue. Fortunately, even as the church is currently in the middle of renovations to the exterior, the building remains completely functional.